Hey, I just wanted to make a video documenting the fireworks that we got this year, the 4th of July 2020. We got a really good deal on all of them. This is 36 brakes, triple threat. This is the side. So, there's this. Went ahead and got the artillery shield. Six canister balls. And 100 shots in this sky shooter. This is sky shooter. This is a festival balls box with 6 of them in there. This item here is called Thunderstorm. And then some more color pearls, a small Saturn missiles, and then this shark, and then this larger Saturn missiles right here. I got a really good deal on this one as well. United States of America. This is the side of it. And this one, Tropical Thunder. And then this one here, Rebel Rouser. And then this large one right here, I have no idea what it is. Very large 25 shot box right here. So those are the fireworks. Just thought I would share them. That's all for this video. Happy 4th of July 2020.